August 16 to 17, 18. Important dates for seismic activity in the USA and around the world. The likelihood of an earthquake occurring increases on these dates, which also includes California within that time frame. August 16, 17, and 18 are possible dates of major past earthquakes, meaning that various numerical and astrological configurations are active up to the present year. It is interesting to start with August 16. A magnitude 5.8 earthquake on the Texas-Chihuahua border in 1931. A magnitude 7.9 earthquake in Mindanao, Philippines, in 1976. August 16, 1978, Solomon Islands. A magnitude 7.7 earthquake occurred near the Solomon Islands in the Pacific, causing strong shaking in the region. August 17. An important date for seismic activity, the possibility of an earthquake occurring increases on this day. It is a date of major earthquakes in the past. August 17, 1865, Memphis, Tennessee, USA. An estimated magnitude 4.7 to 5.0 earthquake with a Mercalli intensity of 7 shook the southwestern Tennessee area, causing visible damage such as toppled chimneys and waves in nearby rivers. M7.8, Rat Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska, 1906. The 1906 Aleutian Islands earthquake occurred at 0:11 Universal Time Coordinated on August 17. It had a moment magnitude of 8.5. That same night, August 17, 1906, an 8.2 magnitude earthquake struck Valparaiso, almost completely destroying the first port and second most important city in Chile. Strong tsunamis, destructive fires, and numerous aftershocks, some almost as strong as the main earthquake, followed the event. The August 17, 1991 Honeydew earthquake near Cape Mendocino on the Northern California coast was the largest onshore earthquake in the continental United States during 1991. August 17, 1999, Turkey. A devastating magnitude 7.4 earthquake with an epicenter near Galkuk, Kokili Province, shook Turkey in the early hours. It caused thousands of deaths, between 10,000 and over 20,000 according to different sources, and massive damage in a densely populated region. August 17, 2023, Colombia. A strong magnitude 6.1 earthquake occurred near El Calvario, Meta, followed by 253 aftershocks. Among them, a significant aftershock of magnitude between 5.6 and 5.7 happened minutes later. The earthquake was widely felt in Bogotá and other nearby regions. Notable historical earthquakes on August 18. August 18, 1959, Montana, USA. A magnitude 7.3 earthquake was recorded in Montana, with a maximum Mercalli intensity of 10, causing severe damage. August 18, 1915, Washington State, USA. A strong magnitude 5.6 earthquake was felt near Everett, Washington, with notable depth. Magnitude 5.9 earthquake in Algeria, 1994.